Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of nerve repair and introducing you to 7 powerful superfoods that can aid in this process. Remember, these foods are not a cure-all, but can be a fantastic addition to your diet for overall health and well-being. First up, we have spinach. This leafy green is packed with vitamins K and B6, which are essential for nerve regeneration. So, make sure to incorporate it into your meals. Next, let's talk about chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and protein, which can help reduce inflammation in your nerves. Add them to your yogurt or smoothies for an extra boost. Turmeric is another superfood on our list. With its anti-inflammatory properties and vitamin B6 content, it's a great ally for nerve repair. Sprinkle it on top of your meals, or mix it into your recipes for a flavorful twist. Salmon is not only delicious, but also packed with healthy fats such as omega-3 south and DHA. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining neurological health, so make sure to include salmon in your diet regularly. Eggs are another excellent source of vitamin B6, which is essential for nerve repair and proper functioning of the nervous system. Add them to your breakfast or lunch for a protein boost and other nutrients that support nerve repair. Brazil nuts are more than just a delicious snack, they're also an excellent source of magnesium, which helps reduce inflammation in nerves and promotes nerve cell regeneration. Just be mindful not to overconsume, as they can contain high levels of selenium if eaten daily. 1 or 2 nuts per day should do the trick. Lastly, make sure to include plenty of water in your diet. It plays an essential role reducing inflammation in neural tissues and promoting overall health of the nervous system. Stay hydrated by drinking enough water every day. That wraps up our list of 7 powerful superfoods for nerve repair. Remember that these foods should be part of a balanced diet and lifestyle changes that prioritize overall health and wellness. If you found this video helpful or insightful, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.